There they come. There they come. Come, doggies. Yeah, there's the motorhome. Yeah, run to the motorhome. Yeah, come. Go and load up.
Oh, Maxie's so slow.
Oh, yeah, she can't run. Go and load up. Oh, that's some happy dogs. You are so happy. That's good. Yeah, we just started our vacation today.
Woo, 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 woo.
We're heading to South Dakota, to Rapid City, for a motocross competition.
Yeah, arena cross finals.
Yeah. So Patrick and the two oldest of the grandkids, they are competing. So we're going over there to meet them and see that. Right now we are driving out in Oregon. We are driving out east on I-84. As you can see, the gorge here is beautiful. All the doggies are enjoying the trip. They love to go in the motorhome.
They love to go.
We just made a stop so they all could go and do their business. They did, so that was good.
Water.
Just made a stop here. There's a viewpoint. Just want to go and see. Yeah, the nature has really changed coming out here. From going out the gorge there in Oregon on Highway 84. We're still on 84, but we are in eastern Oregon now. Look how everything is so different here. It's like more like high desert now. Motorhome is doing great. It's chewing up the miles. We're only like 10 miles from our campground tonight, a state park we're staying at. Yeah, it's day 2 on our trip. South Dakota. We just had a good night's sleep here on a campground in the eastern Oregon.
Yes.
And now we are
Sunshine.
heading out in sunshine. See, there's snow on the ground here. It's been freezing cold tonight, but we've been warm and toasty.
Yes.
In the camper.
Zoe snuggled in on my lap. She's not letting Scooby-Doo up.
Yep.
She has her head on my arm, snuggled in on the blankie. She's like, nope, not letting him up here this time.
Yeah, this here has been a state park.
Turn right on Old Oregon Trail, then take the first left.
And then we are going to another state park.
In Idaho.
In Idaho for the next night. And then after that it's KOA campgrounds. The rest.
Nope. Sunshine! Woo, woo, woo.
Sun is shining, it's a good day. And we
Turn left
ready.
on I-84 East.
Had our morning coffee and a shower, so we're good to go.
Yep.
This is fantastic.
Biscuits.
This is vacation.
Yeah,
as good
biscuits
as it
are
gets.
made for some jam and cheese.
Yeah, oh man, it'll be good.
Yeah.
You baked biscuits in this morning.
I did make
that
biscuits.
we will have here in a little bit.
Oh, this couldn't have been any easier. Look at that.
And right here we enter the freeway.
Ooh, the sun feels nice. We rarely see the sun in Seaside.
Yeah. There it is. And off we go.
Doot, 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 doot.
And look at the road here. Long straight road. We are making good miles here. We just made a stop here at Les Swap because we suddenly had a lot of vibration from a weird rear tire when we're on the freeway at high speeds. So we don't know what's wrong, but we need them to look at it. So hopefully they can figure it out so we can keep moving on. Looks like we're not the only ones with problems. There's another one pulling in. Just having a little lunch, making a little break to take the dogs out. We got new tires on, but else we're good to go.
For sure.
Got some all-terrain tires on, so we're a bit better off if we get some bad weather.
Yeah, they look pretty rugged.
Yep.
And we ran around the rest area with the dogs just to get them worn out a little bit.
So a little bit of lunch and then we are off to the road again. We're starting to see some mountains out on the horizon now. But there's snow on them.
We'll be fine.
Yeah, we have chains just in case. We need snow chains. It's their side. We made it to Boise, Idaho, the capital in Idaho. Just going through it now. The road splits here. We're going towards Twin Falls. And we're getting close to the destination for the night. James Ferry, State Park. Yeah, and it's day 3. We had a good night's sleep here in Idaho at a state campground, and now we're on the road again. We are heading to Wyoming today, but we had to make some small changes.
Well, who knew what today was going to bring? Torquil got the directions up on the GPS and it's taking us to our next stop, which we thought was in Sheridan, Wyoming. And I looked at the distance and I'm like, that can't be right, because that's almost the same distance from where we were at to Rapid City. So lo and behold, it was wrong. Anywho, change of plans, quickly fixed it up. We're not going to Sheridan, now we're going to Rawlins, Wyoming, to the campground there. So, onward, here we go.
The motorhome runs like a dream today with the new tires. It's really so smooth driving, so that's fantastic. So we are chewing up some miles like crazy. We have been going through Idaho, and now we are close to the border going into Utah. We're going down towards Salt Lake City and then over to Wyoming, where we will have our next stop for the night. And you can kind of see here on the GPS, if that's visible, but the little gray line going diagonal there, that's a border to Utah, so we're very close to Utah. Some trucks with triple trailers again here. Yeah, the motorhome needs something to live from if it has to drive us all the way here to South Dakota. So fuel is necessary. And it must be this one. We should be able to do 85. Very good. And the fuel is cheap here, $2.99. Just look at that. That's not bad. Yeah, I just saw a sign saying that we are at 7,000 feet in altitude here. So it can become a cold night. We are 3.9 miles away from the campground now. And look at how we have snow everywhere here. We're up in high altitude. It's really freezing cold. It's good we have heat in the camper. Take a look at the fuel price here. That's Wyoming. Fuel prices for 87 unleaded. So we arrived at our campsite here in Wyoming, and look at this. It's cold here.
We're in Rawlins, Wyoming, and it's like freezing. There's snow. The littles went out, and we're like, nope.
22 degrees outside.
Burr. But anyway, some of the meals I've been prepping over the last few months. Tonight, it's chicken parmesan. Got one heated up, the other one's ready to come out, and we're getting ready to eat.
Yeah, and while Nicole did that, I was outside. I was putting water in our water tank, our fresh water tank, because they had frost-free spigots out here that were heated. And then I dumped the sewage from the last few days on the road trip. So now our gray and black tank, they're empty, so we have for a few days again. So that should bring us all the way to South Dakota to Rapid City, and we have the first few days at a campground there where we can also dump and get water. But now we are set for tomorrow morning so we can shower. And here's Nicole's. And
chicken parmesan as well.
The same. And we are ready to eat. It's day 4 now, and we are ready to go again. But it's been a cold night. We were down to -22, and try to look out here. Look outside, snow everywhere. We're up in about over 7,000 feet altitude here in Wyoming, and it's been freezing cold tonight. But we've been warm and toasty inside. Yeah, it was cold this night, but man, is it beautiful here. Look at that. We're up in the high plains.
Good grief, we're not used to sun. Oh.
Man, it's so beautiful here early in the morning. Cold. Yeah, so we are heading east now on Highway 80 until we reach Cheyenne, Wyoming, and then we will catch I-25 that go north and south. Yeah, there's a lot of wind turbines here. I think these are Vestas, the company I used to work for. Well, we arrived to Cheyenne in Wyoming, and we entered I-25 going north now. And Nicole, she couldn't sit still anymore, so she went back into the kitchen. But the nice thing is now that we're out of the deep freezer. We're not up in the high altitude anymore like we were earlier this morning.
Hi.
What are you doing back there?
I don't know if you can hear me, but
Not very good.
I'm making our little butterscotch cheesecake bites that I put in the freezer and we can have as a healthy snack later in the day.
That sounds good. Eating celery.
Yeah, well, I need something to munch on.
Conscious. Yep. It's not bad. Yeah, we made it safe to Rapid City in South Dakota. This here is part 1 of our 2 weeks trip going to South Dakota for this motocross competition. But we will do other things while we are here in South Dakota. So there will be other videos coming out, so make sure both to like and to subscribe. And click this bell button so that you get notification when the next videos come out. So you can stay tuned if you want to watch the rest of the trip. I think today will be a trip to Costa State Park and to Mount Rushmore as well. So make sure you subscribe to be able to see that.